Hey guys, so basically I got a surprise for y'all. So in a few minutes I'm gonna get my dad from work and y'all gonna see the surprise by tonight or tomorrow whenever y'all see this video. So come along with us and I will show y'all the surprise. Well guys, we got 2 new puppies and they're both boys. This is one. And the other one's right here. This is the fat one. This is the other one. And they're 10 weeks old. The smell of puppy breath is not good. Okay, fine. Only down right there? Fine then. No. Hey, where you going? What are you going there for? Where you going, huh? Good. Where are you going? Just start trying to crawl in my armpit. There you go. Okay, see you guys when we get home. Watch where you step at, Ma.
Look, they're right by your leg. There you go. They're biting the leg. They eat your pet. Oh.
Huh?
2 boys, too.
Mm.
Oh, they're going to get food.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's my shoelaces.
Yeah, your shoelaces.
Well guys, I hope you guys really enjoy this video as we got 2 new puppies. See you guys next vlog. Bye.